Hello, good morning, 8th grader students. Today I am making a video of a resume of the contents that we studied on the second part of the first partial. As a vocabulary, we studied jobs and occupations. Can you remember that? This is the objective of this class. And these are the words that we studied: doctor, postman, or mailman. A postman can also be called mailman, mail carrier, pilot, waiter, waitress, hairdresser, plumber, nurse, policeman, farmer, firefighter, teacher, bus driver, chef, or cooker. This one can be called chef or cooker. Carpenter, secretary, veterinarian or vet, DJ, engineer, journalist, car mechanic, school principal, salesperson, web designer, architect, lawyer, janitor, cashier. We also studied in the grammar part present continuous. We said that the present continuous is used to talk about actions happening now at the moment. For example, Alice is riding her bike. That action is happening now. And what is going to be the structure of the present continuous? We said that we were going to use the subject followed by the verb to be in the present simple, followed by the main verb ending in ing. We have the subject in this example, Mark and his brother. We have the verb to be, the main verb ending in ing, and the complement of the sentence. Mark and his brother are playing football. This is the structure of the present continuous in affirmative statements and negative sentences. These are the subjects. This is the verb to be that we are going to use, the auxiliary verb used in the present continuous, and the main verbs ending in ing. These are the negative forms. We're going to use the subject. The negative part is going to be on the helping verb, the verb to be, and we're going to have the main verbs ending in ing. How are we going to make questions? We're going to start with the verb to be. We're going to have the subject and the main verb ending in ing. And these are examples of the short yes/no answers for those questions. We're going to review the verb to be for you to have a better appreciation of a better usage of it in the present continuous. When we use I, when we're using I, we use the verb to be am. In third person and singulars, she, he, it, use is. And in plurals and in first person, we use we, you, they, are. To be positive verb. To be negative, I am not, she's not, he's not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. In the positive form, we can use these contractions. Am, she's, he's, it's, we're, you're, there. And the contractions for the negative forms, they can be I'm not, she's not, he's not, it is not, we're not, you're not, they are not. Or we can also use these negative contractions. I am not, she isn't, he isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. When we were studying the present continuous, we studied these gerund forms for the verbs that end in ing. The first rule and the principle is that all the verbs just add ing at the end. If the verb ends in E, we're going to take out the E and add ing. If the verb has only one syllable, we're going to double the last consonant and add ing. But if the verb has only one syllable and ends in this consonants, we're only going to add ing. We are not going to double the last consonant. If the verb has two syllables, I am only going to add ing. If the verb ends in ie, we're going to change it for jing. If the verb ends in consonant vowel L, we're going to double the L and add ing. If the verb ends in a stressed R, we're going to double the R and add ing. Si la R es muy fuerte, se dobletea y se le agrega ing. But if the R is not stressed, it's an unstressed R, no es fuerte, we're not going to double it, we're only going to add ing. Well, 8th graders, this is the review for the second part of the first partial. Please, if you have any question, let me know.